What's up, my people? Welcome back to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, guys, the heat is in the kitchen. Breaking news, breaking news. Blamdem speak. Naih friend Blamdem speak and tell us exactly how and who unalive Naih. My viewers and subscribers, needless I say no more. Needless I say anymore. Listen to this lady program with Blamdem saying, just listen. Listen. We'll talk afterwards.
Go on. Are you want that? Hold on, no. Naih, go on. Are you want that? Hold on. Naih, go on. Are you want that?
One boy named One Cup of Sauce, Akeem and figure it out. Then pay one youth at all Harbour named Biggs. The blood clot, for kill Naih. You see me? Yeah, dog, a cup of sauce, and we youth named Biggs and crushed bread from Wall Harbour. And the boy named Omar, him pick up the money. Kaga Wall Harbour give them, then kill them friend for Batman money. Man, I fuck them. You get me? And me.
Yeah, Maya Slayer, Jaden. Listen to you, last night man have a bad nightmare, yeah. Suck on the mother in the fall. I just saw them bad man, yeah. Yeah man, the devil are working at them. I'm still I go say what me I say. No mind them side. Listen what I go on. And a clout man I look. I'll follow as bad man. I know views youth. I hear that TJ. Good while me know ya me ya blood clot play match on TikTok charge you. I hear that. Jaden you real youth dog. Yeah, do it, dog. Only thing me not like, dog. I just say 18 fuckery, dog. All up paid bad man, and I make money out here, youth. Me all talk, dog, and all me on a chimber, dog. Last night, me have a bumbuckle at nightmare, dog. I tell the dog, as me doze off charge it even now, how good, dog. And I have to jump up, bro, and can't sleep, bad man. I hear man tell a charge it. Me say, all night, me not sleep, dog. Because me don't know how that looks a dog, and I not even nothing for talk on the media, bro. The only thing me can't tell on the charge it. Watch out in the street, dog. And not trust people, bad man. Get on the guards up, dog. And a bumbuckler celebrity a year. And a celebrity to a year. Don't feel like a joke me I make. When you not be movie star or artist, bad man. And I make whole heap of money. And I post whole heap of content and I get whole heap of views on the live. And I have a large fan base, dog. Whole heap of people patronize on the style and whole heap of people idolize on the youth. Bro. Make money, dog, and be wise, dog. Yeah, dog. If you not lie, bro, TikTok help out. Whole heap I get to you, them, dog. TikTok make man there right now, charge you. Make it possible, dog, make man live in the street, dog. I boop out some little bad mind boy and girl to dog. I hear man telling the youth, man, then do it, dog. Don't stop, bad man. You hear that, bro? Just go and believe.
Yo, Charge, let me tell you something. Here, brother, me I tell you something straight, killer. Bad man, I am Jay a player here. You see your big waist, suck pussy, butty boy people over there. Wanna not call me name, dog. You see it? Cause we get ugly Charge, you don't even know. Wanna top call me name, brother. Wanna play no match. Wanna top call me name, brother. Top call me name, bro. Me not run joke. No boy can't talk to me like how wanna talk to them. Me not run joke, wanna low me name, dog. Low me, bro.
Boy, listen to that boy, I'm also angry. Look a boy.
Boy, my viewers and subscribers, sad. Yeah, man. It's very, very, very sad for, say, young people I do this to each other. You know, and my viewers and subscribers, social media is here to help everybody. To help everybody learn, to help everybody can gain something from it. Who cannot gain money from it can gain some sense, you know, understand. But right now, we Jamaicans take it to a next level. The culture, the badness, the bad mind, the covetous, the envy, take it to another level. Every day, there's something different happen on social media. Most of all, over TikTok. It's sad to say that in America, they said TikTok is going to be banned on the 19th of January. TikTok helped 174 million people in the US. But they go ban it. And one of the reasons why they come out to ban it was because they said that earlier on there was a lot of unaliving going on, a lot of bad things, a lot of internet bullyism, internet badness, internet violence, internet war. So that's where it come from. Not only say it's a Chinese company, but my viewers and subscribers, it have to stop though. Yeah man, it have to stop. So you see them video where me show? Yes, the same guy where them a warn him say not to be around is the same guy. I give out the information of how everything go. You have to watch, look, listen, and learn. Me personally, I don't pick side. Me not pick side. But sometimes you have to know what come out of your mouth. Your mouth will define you a lot. You can say anything out your mouth, but you have to know what to say, when to say it. Because what comes out of your mouth can be your demise. Yeah, man, the word from your mouth. Let me say this to you. If you sit down with your mouth shut, all go happen is when you open it, bad breath. And it's because that's how we build. Cavity and all them kind of things built up in there because it now open. No fresh air now go out. Go out and come in, you know? So the thing is, if you keep your mouth shut, then you won't have the problem. But if you keep talking sensible things, you won't have a problem. But if you keep talking these kind of things, you go have problem. And then, if you talk these kind of things, you can stand up to it. Because one person, I say, he don't know nothing about it. The other person, I say, he don't know nothing about it. But yet still, I tell the man where you have to be careful of what you say out of your mouth. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't even say them things out of your mouth. Because one man a joke, one man serious. You can't, listen me. You see the little money you want to make? And the beast you want to drive? Think about it. Any of you build a house? Any of you start a business? Any of you invest in anything with the money that you're making? No. All it is woman, the beast, and big life. That now going to help you tomorrow. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, and I talk too much on this. All I need, watch the video, comment on the video, and pray for them. Yes, man. Pray for each and every one of them because guess what? They need Jesus. More than ever. Jesus need them. Yeah, only Jesus can save them. Them can't save themselves from themselves because themselves is mashing up them own self. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pasture. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil. Yeah, no evil. Yeah, man. No evil that rise up on us shall win. Boy, I mean, I tell you, what a day. What a day. What they call it? Friend, enemy. You know, let me tell you something. when I listen to On the Spot News Media, and On the Spot News Media said to us, say, one of the worst thing can happen is when friend become enemy. Here it is, right in your face. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, what more to do? What more to say? More than pray. A prayer a day, keep the devil away. Anyway, I'm out. Peace and love. Remember if you like, subscribe. And remember, you know, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, we on the journey for 5,000 subscribers by the ending of December. So, anyway, peace. Thank you very much. So far, so good. Enough respect. I'm out.